More of the story today. We finna unbox 2 new products I just ordered. You know what I'm saying? We finna pipe the YT. Man, we finna pipe the YZ up, dog. Check me out. You know what that is? Man, that's the V-Force Reeds, dog.
Clayton County, baby.
Yeah.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Yeah.
Clayton County, baby.
Yeah.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
125 gang, so the new parts came in, and you know I'm in my garage. I'm gonna cap, man. I can't see my fucking garage light keep going out. Get it right, so I can see in the middle of the night. You did. Looking like this. I need LED, whatever it's gonna be. Gotta give me a little 10W40 so I can soak the new plates in for a little bit. I'm gonna start on into the morning. I'm putting these bitches in tonight. My garage, man.
Just do it!
It is. Shout out my boy, Just Do It Straight. Alright, y'all, so we back. I was about to go to sleep, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Some more meal came, so gotta do that unboxing with y'all real fast. Yes, sir. New clutch plates, dog. So, you know, my other ones, I ain't gonna lie, I've been thugging with them since I brought the bike. But as you can see, new racks, big racks on deck. You know what I'm saying? Got the big rack. You did?
Really, nigga?
Everybody in the world like, what? Or did the bike like niggas gonna get this one? You know what I'm saying? Big racks. Yeah, as you can see, that brand new. Crispy. And it came with, you know, the brand new friction plate. Now you gotta have that. You see, they wrapped in the metal fresh. Never touched. You know what I'm saying? And then last but not least, oh man, then they gave you some good pressure. Get that clutch nice and soft. Nice and soft clutch spring. It is, so. I can't forget, you know, the best thing of the package, dog. Got the clutch. Hold on, brother. Stuck, dog. Bam! Sticker.
Got him!
Got him! But yeah, man, I guess everything has came in, so, you know, my boys pushed the Duraham trip back to next week. So I ain't even mad, because it's Valentine's Day weekend, bro. I got a whole girl behind that camera, and he need to talk about, come on, bro. Yeah, anyway, but you see what's going on. All the parts in. So now I'm just finna play. I'm gonna sit back, roll up, and you did. 125, baby, man. I'll be back on y'all when I'm on these malls. Yeah, you did. Okay, bust open the bike. Got the old one now, so you know, we're gonna do a little comparison on the old one. Little comparison with the new one. The flaps ain't really too bad. You got your little wear and tear in there. Little scratchy scratch. Got a little chip plate right there. You know what I'm saying? Little chip. Couple little right there. You know. So I mean, shit, really not that bad. I'ma still keep it. You know. Now, let's look at the new one. Boom. So as we on the new one now, the V-Force 3. You can actually see my tab. Got some little engravings in there. Some good-ish plates. Look fantastic. No chip, nothing. No chip, nothing. Nowhere. You did. Serial code. Nice good little fin flaps. Yeah, man. So that's what it's looking like as of right now. So I have done a comparison with the old one and the new one. And next, we finna go ahead and throw him in the bike. See what's poppin'. I done took him out, as you can see. It's dirty in there. So I'm finna do a nice little gentle wipe down, not to get too much bullshit in there. And we're gonna drop him in there, baby.
2 hours later.
Boy, I tell you, it's been a night. You see, it's more. I got coffee. It's morning time now. All night. So like, I got the V-Force reeds in there. That should give you an adapter. Screws is too short, so I had to go find the right screw. Digging through this shit for hours. Mismatched them. Fuck it. The shit finally got in there. So now you got that extension. So now your carburetor don't fit like it, normally did. So I got down there and broke my air box, bent that shit all the way back. Bent it back just to get my fucking TMX. I got the big one, the 38-inch one, I think. Not the 34, whatever. Got the big one. I'm trying to flip it, twist it back. Nothing worked. Finally mush it in, get it in that bitch, slide it on. Bro, that shit is hell. I ain't gonna lie, taking out the old one easy. Yeah, man, I spared y'all the whole day of work. Fucking 2 hours later. This shit was 19 hours later. So I got it in there, as you can see. Yeah, man, like when you read going there, that shit, it sit out farther than my old one. Then, the gasket on top. Then they gave you these 2 spacers. So, man, with those spacers in between there, my original screws could not reach. Man, I caught here, man. I ain't gonna cap, but guess what? He in there. The V-Force reeds is in there. The new 3s is in there, man. Ooh, I can't wait to crank them up today. I'm about to change these clutch plates next. Yeah, man, it was a no-sleep type of day, man. So I got that in there. Got the V-Force reeds. I can't wait to see the difference. It better be a difference. Because from that to that, what I just put in, man, it looked like a great difference. I'm still keep these, though. Oh, yeah, they chipped. It's time for them to go.
Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.